Welcome back to Hellendale Hot Rods. It's been a while since I posted anything. I've been busy working. We're back open after shutdowns because of a little flu that's going around. So I've done a ton of body work on this 85 GMC square body. So I've replaced the cab corners on this sucker, did some mechanical stuff, some exhaust. This video is actually about maybe another way to put a box back on a truck. It came off with lots of sweat and swear words, but it was in pretty rough shape then. Today I want to be a little more careful with it, putting it on. So as you can see, I have it on the rotisserie, and it's strapped to my 4-post hoist. This is a video for those of you guys that might have those. This is just another way maybe to put it back on the frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rotisserie off, and we got the ratchet straps, all 4 corners, and I'm going to put it in neutral and slip it underneath, and hopefully everything will be clickety-boo. I'm working by myself, so you gotta always come up with ways to do this stuff. Well, like anything else, this is a learning experience. I had to do a slight adjustment. The box was too far down and the cab would have hit here. So I just, I wrestled it. No, I didn't. It was quite easy. I just moved it up a little bit with the aid of the rotisserie cart on the end. I supported one end with that end of the rotisserie, and then I set the other end down on the truck frame, and I just rolled the whole thing slowly forwards. So we're gonna drop it and get an action shot maybe. Well, here goes nothing. I'm just gonna roll the truck a little bit. Rolling the frame in. Got a block in the way. I'll probably hit on the tire here. Whoop. Yep. Just gonna raise the lift a little bit. Way easier than trying to wrestle it off. Wow. All right, so we're hitting the left, but she's pretty close to where I want it. I got a couple inches to go, but that's way easier than the whole thing, manhandling it. So anyways, we'll drop her down here a little bit so we're sitting. Not too shabby. Got a little left to do, but thanks for watching. All right, got the box on. That's a pretty damn good feeling.